Hello everyone, welcome to the Milesight TS601 and TS602 installation video tutorial. In this video, we will explain the installation location requirements and the fixing methods for the device. Inside the box, you'll find the main device and these other accessories. For TS602, the appropriate probe model can be selected according to your specific requirements. The thermal buffer bottle is also offered as an optional accessory. The TS601 and TS602 have an IP67 waterproof enclosure, are made of food-grade material, and offer multiple mounting options. The TS601 features a dual-color LED indicator, and the TS602 has a high-resolution OLED display and supports an external probe. The TS601 providing real-time temperature and humidity monitoring inside the truck. For optimal performance, install the TS601 near the door. This helps the light sensor detect door openings and ensures a stronger cellular signal. Please note that installing the sensor deep inside the truck or close to metal will affect both cellular and location signal strength. In scenarios where the device is transported along with a cargo box, you can fix the TS601 inside the box. Also ensure that one of your device's axes is parallel to the mounting surface, so that the tilt sensor can accurately detect tilting. Similarly, mount the device near the box lid. This ensures the light sensor can detect light upon opening. When you need to view and detect the temperature inside the cargo box in real time, like medical transport, the TS602 is the ideal choice. Simply insert the probe into the box for targeted temperature monitoring. Keep the host device outside to check real-time readings on the OLED screen without opening the box. Ensure your device is facing the door, so the light sensor can detect when the door is opened. Similarly, the TS602 supports tilt detection. To ensure the device correctly detects the tilt status, one of its axes must be parallel to the mounting surface. An alarm will be triggered when the tilt angle and duration both exceed the threshold. Remove the back cover. Open the SIM card slot. Insert the SIM card into the slot. For a quick and easy setup, you can use the included 3M tape. Simply attach the tape to the back of the device and press it firmly onto a clean, flat surface. For metal surfaces, we recommend using the magnetic nut. Fix the magnetic nut to the device with screws, then secure the device onto a metal surface. This accessory is optional. If you'd like to order it, please contact your sales representative. Use screws to fix the device to a rack or wall, then install the cover screw caps into the mounting holes. If you need to mount the device on a rack, choose the cable tie method. Thread the cable tie through the device's holes and secure it firmly in place. For TS602 model, you need to install an external probe. First, unscrew the bottom port cover, then connect the probe to the device for more flexible deployment. Insert the probe into the location where you need to measure the temperature. Remember to press the side button once after every probe installation or replacement. The device will then automatically identify the probe type, collect the data, and report it. The thermal buffer bottle ensures temperature data isn't affected by rapid changes, like when a door is open. By placing the probe inside the bottle, you can effectively slow down temperature fluctuations and get more stable readings. These are all the key installation points for the TS601 and TS602. Thank you for watching.